Let's have a little Bo Peep here on the right hand side, and there are 10 Brits and Kia campers, vehicles all come into town together, all lined up. Obviously a hire tour of some sort. It's the Cooktown Festival, Discovery Festival, and they've got some soapbox racing happening.
And Jules looks like she's in front. Red Rock coming in second. Get those legs on there, baby. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. Left. Oh no, we done the wrong way around. The wrong way around. I want you up here. I want you.
I went in the cop shop to go and find out what the road was like. Anyone here? I've done that. I walked in.
Cooktown is one of Queensland's hidden gems, a beautiful unspoiled coastal town and one of Australia's most historically significant townships. This is where Lieutenant James Cook found safe haven in 1770 to repair his ship, the HM bark Endeavour, and where the first reconciliation took place between Europeans and the Guugu Yimithirr people. A century later, Cook's Town was built on the banks of the river where that historic meeting took place. A bustling new port and community grew from a ramshackle tent city to service the mining camps of Queensland's largest gold rush on the Palmer River. The gold soon disappeared, but Cooktown hung on, surviving economic decline and 2 devastating cyclones to emerge as one of tropical North Queensland's best-kept secrets. Today, Cooktown has a population of 2,000, and the town is growing again as word spreads of its beautiful location and the friendliness of its people. With the completion of the Mulligan Highway in 2006, the town is now easily accessible by road and air, yet its remote location, stunning landscapes and laid-back lifestyle give it a distinctly frontier feel, the very essence of Australia. June 1770, and Captain Cook beats the bark, HMS Endeavour, right here, apparently, and this can marks the spot. once upon a time be the longest bridge in Queensland. The new bridge was opened in 2001, so I'm guessing that this was used right up until then. It's now a favourite fishing spot for the locals, and of course for tourists as well. If you enjoyed this video, there's over 200 more just like it on this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and we'll let you know when our next video is available. If you liked this video, hit the like button. And if you weren't that impressed, please don't hit the dislike button. Instead, tell us why, so that we can do something about it. Thanks for watching.